U.S. Air Force focuses on diverting funds for development of sixth-generation fighter jets. The U.S. Air Force has been intending to make a substantial revamp of its air capability. In a planned 2023 budget, the U.S. Air Force expects to retire hundreds of its aircraft and fighter planes. One that will be removed from duty is the F-22 Raptor combat plane, which has long been in service with the U.S. Air Force. The U.S. Air Force expects to retire 33 of its F-22 Raptors in the 2023 budget year. According to the previously negotiated budget, the U.S. would focus more on the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. 33 F-22 Raptors are thought to have little combat capabilities and are solely employed for training. For this reason, the money of the F-22 Raptor will be redirected to other programs. According to Major General James Peccia, Deputy Assistant Secretary of the U.S. Air Force, the cost of training the F-22 Raptor for combat is $1.8 billion over 8 years. Because of the very high expenses, monies were transferred to research into the newest fighter jet designs as part of the NGAD program. The sixth-generation fighter jet program will replace the F-22 Raptor in the coming years. The U.S. Air Force claimed in 2020 that it had created, manufactured, and tested a top-secret fighter plane in just over a year. The fighter jet is part of the U.S. Air Force's NGAD program, which seeks to replace the F-22 Raptor. Air Force Chief of Staff General Charles Key Brown Jr. has testified before the Armed Services Committee in reference to the 2022 budget. He indicated that there may be two variations of NGAD, one for long-range operations in the Indo-Pacific and another for short-range flights between likely fighting sites in Europe. He made it plain that air dominance was a primary objective and that he wanted NGAD to be able to execute various tasks. He highlighted that the plane's primary goal is air superiority, but it would also be able to attack ground targets. With so many planes being retired, the U.S. Air Force will only rely on a few varieties of the fighter jet. Brown highlighted that the U.S. Air Fleet aims to downsize its fighter jet force to only 4 types of aircraft: the F-35, F-15EX, F-16, and NGAD. For NGAD itself, the prototype of the secret stealth fighter plane appears to have been developed utilizing digital engineering technologies. NGAD is a program that will incorporate a manned platform in cooperation with a significantly cheaper autonomous unmanned fighter plane. Using a dispersed and tailored combination of sensors, weaponry, and other mission equipment, the fighter planes may operate as a team. With the NGAD program, the U.S. Air Force will be able to have fighter planes with greater speed, agility, stealth technology, and AI-enabled data processing. The application of digital engineering technologies can dramatically cut the time needed to create a modern combat plane. Virtual modeling and simulation technologies are utilized in digital engineering. The sixth-generation fighter plane will be part of the integrated NGAD system, meaning it will combine unmanned drones, manned jets, and new-generation network technology. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall recently emphasized the NGAD must be more than merely the next manned fighter plane. The U.S. Air Force has also made great headway in its efforts to deploy loyal wingman drones with human fighter planes. This allows NGAD to operate drones on its side and will supplement the F-35 fleet in the near future. NGAD is a program that will incorporate a manned platform in cooperation with a significantly cheaper autonomous unmanned fighter plane. Using a dispersed and tailored combination of sensors, weaponry, and other mission equipment, the fighter planes may operate as a team. With the NGAD program, the U.S. Air Force will be able to have fighter planes with greater speed, agility, stealth technology, and AI-enabled data processing. The U.S. Air Force has also made great headway in its efforts to deploy loyal wingman drones with human fighter planes. This allows NGAD to operate drones on its side and will supplement the F-35 fleet in the near future.